In case of HLOOKUP, I would want to get the corresponding product-wise values for a specific region. Now let's see how this works. Now HLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, row index number, and range lookup. So what am I looking up for? I want to look up for, let's say, FL. So I would put FL for now over here. Now since it's a text, I put it in double quotes. So table array, I can select the entire table and that's absolutely fine. Or you can just select as much as you want. Let's say I want to select for West. If this is the selection that I have, then West does not feature in this list, right? Because how many rows have we covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And West features in the 6th row and it's outside the range. Hence, it will return an error for you. Let me show you the error. If I select this and it asks for row index number, I select 6 and I want an exact match. Close the brackets. It gives a #ref error. Now it gave you a #ref error because you're referring to something which does not exist in the selected list. Hence, it gives you a #ref error. Make a note of that. Similarly, in the VLOOKUP function, if you are selecting a number of lists, let's say we have 5 columns here, and if you want to return the result from a 6th column or the 0th column, okay, you give the value as 0 or anything beyond this range, it will result in a #ref error. So let me just expand the selection again completely. Yes, we have this. And now I want the FL sales for West region. So I hit enter and here we have this 235. That's perfect there. Now let's say here I put an input cell. I want to know the total sales of LEDs. So I say HLOOKUP LED, or here LED, comma, table array, row index number. Now where do we have the total sales? We have row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7th row is where we have. So 7, range lookup, exact match, and close the bracket. Here we have that. Now here you need to be careful whether you want to use the HLOOKUP or the VLOOKUP. Now, if I need the product-wise totals, HLOOKUP solves it because I have a name of a product and I need the totals. But if I want region-wise total, then let's say that's for Southeast. So then I need to use the VLOOKUP function because then I select this range, look up for Southeast in this column. Okay, that's the region-wise total. And this is how we work with this.